I've almost reached of its above. Now it's more to go. It's not seeing from here. Let's go. Almost reached the place where I was thinking, but not above that place. That's very dangerous. We are not going there. Whew. It's very dangerous over there. And actually I'm alone also. Also I need all trekking equipments if I need to go. So I'm just here for the main view, which is at the half of it. So we are here. Let's see the view. Wait, I will show you from near. Guys, guys, just check out the view. You won't believe this. I think you can't see it in the camera, but just see. We are above the clouds. Holy mashallah. And that part is very dangerous of the mountain. We are not going there. We are going just little above over that place. Okay, so just check out the view, man. I will sit here all day. Oh, mashallah. We are above the clouds. Oh. Guys, our view is cool. We are above the clouds. There are some people. I just completed doing pull-ups from here, and that's the trekking part. And whenever I came, I just saw this place as little dangerous. Should we go over there and check the view? I don't know, my shoes have grip or something. Anyways, I'm going. Okay, just pray for me. I just came to the edge all over from there. Although it's look easy, but it was little dangerous. And I'm gonna try this way and just check out the view here, man. Holy wow, cool. Not dangerous as we thought, but I need to be very cautious. Wow, I think I need to start vlogging again. We are gonna try that way. I don't know what will happen. Oh, we can just look, just see the view once more. We are all above the clouds. Oh, I just came through here and I don't feel safe going there. So I just quitting from here and going our way back and just climb till the dargah. The dargah is over there. Okay, let's do this, man. Oh, yeah. Oh, there's a flight. Wow. Hey buddy, wait for me. Okay, let's continue. Flight will go its way. We will go our way. Yo. There's a cable car coming from here. And it's a mountain. That's the trekking part. We are not going there. And this is a cable car area. So I just crossed the dargah over there and heading somewhere. I don't know where exactly this way goes. Although I came here 3 to 4 times, I'm going through here first time. We are here for the view. Oh shit, bro. What place. Cool. We are literally above the clouds. I'm exploring the unexplored place. So our dargah is over there, and some aunties said there's dargah over here also. So we are just going to check out that. between the view bro, view. Oof. Let's go. भाई मैं एक फन फैक्ट बताऊँ, मैं उधर चढ़ रहा था, वो पहाड़ जो भी दिखाया था, पहाड़ नहीं था, थोड़ा स्टीप, ऐसा स्टीप था ऐसा। तो चढ़ा मैं, थोड़ा आगे देखा, आंटी लोग पीछे से चिल्ला रहे किधर जा रहे। मैं जाके देखा तो आगे थोड़ा देखा तो ऐसा खाई है। अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह मैं बच गया, और आंटी लोग के शुक्र से, दुआ से मैं नीचे आ गया वापस, नहीं तो पता नहीं मैं किधर होता अभी। जस्ट चेक आउट द व्यू हियर, क्रेजी व्यू, क्रेजी क्रेजी। We have both side khai. I just completed the way. There was a dargah at last. I didn't take a video from there. Now we are heading back all the way through here, through there, through there, yeah, through there to down. So let's go. Bye. Currently it's 8:34 p.m. Sorry, it's 8:34 a.m. I'm just running towards the down. We need to reach not there exactly, but I think yeah, exactly, we need to reach there. Our bike is over there, so let's sign off. Bye. It's 8:34 a.m. Let's see what time I reach it down. While coming, I just traveled, just come down all the steps, and I've gone through there. Now going back, I need to just climb little, then go through backside. I'm still climbing, not reached the main dargah. I mean, we came from there and gone there. If we reach there, then only we can go to the main below, where we exactly came from. I mean, where my bike is. This is the main dargah. We came through here, gone there. Now heading back. We are officially going back. So it's 8:58 a.m. right now. Let's see what time we reach. Guys, we are officially going back. It's exactly 9 a.m. now. It almost took 1 hour 10 minutes to reach this place. Let's see how much time we can reach down. So we reach back here, this place. We reach back here. We're going down. I'm literally jogging while going down. It's that easy to go down. Climbing or going above is the main part. Going down is literally easy. Your legs should be strong. Let's go. We have almost reached down. We was there 20 minutes ago. We gone all through there. So I just noticed something. The more fast you're coming down, the more legs you're becoming heavy. So the legs are feeling very heavy. While although it's easy, but I'm running, that's why it's feeling very heavy. What the hell, bro? What the hell? The cable car is open. I didn't knew that. I think they are testing just now. It's the official ride. Yeah, I think so. They are testing. It will go all the way where I was, the white place. I'm not sure. You can see that and that is a